day today, and I'm taking another video, and I'm going to be walking around in that bright sun. Look, and let's see what we find over here. Over here is just a bunch of rocks. There's some plastic. There's, I guess it's a white bottle, plastic bottle. Lots of leaves over here. And over there I saw a deer in that tree. That's a lot. And over here, look, there's a fork. Look how pretty it is over there. Lots of rocks. Okay, I'm going to go over here to see this thing. Looks like a green flower pot? I don't know, maybe. Looks like there are a lot of downed trees over here. Maybe the wind blew them down. And over there were some deer. There's a tire. There's an old tire, and there's more trash over here. Let's go over here. Gotta watch my step. Let's see what we find. Look at that tree. That thing is knocked down. Here's a bottle here. Green bottle here. Okay, I'm being careful as I'm walking because I don't want to fall. Oh, look at all of this. Just imagine in just a month. Look at these shavings. Tree shavings. In just a month, these trees will be blooming. Lots of sticks. This can over there. Let's see what's over here. Look at that. Rocks. What's that blue thing over there? Let's go check it out. It's a tin can, I think, or metal can. I'm gonna watch my step. Looks like it may have had oil in it, an oil can. You can throw this over here and over there. There's a can. Another bottle. Lots of trash. There's a pole there. Let's check out over here. Okay. There's some stuff over here. I was over here not too long ago. That tree over there. Just like, it's amazing how nature. Nature is unbelievable. There's rocks over here. Like I said before, there's a creek over here. Let's check that out. There's something over there. There's so much trash here. I think I'm seeing new trash here that I haven't seen in a long time. Let's check out over here. That's a lot of mess. Some people may have had parties over here. Broken glass. Glad I'm not barefoot. There's a creek over there. Let's get closer. There's a creek. And there's a creek over there. All right. Wow. Look at all this broken glass. Right there. And there's a hole or depression. Look at this. There's a puddle over there. There's a puddle, a huge puddle. I saw this last time I was here, and someone's shoe sole. Look at that. Here's another bottle over here. Here's a bottle over there. I'm not gonna go over there. Just junk everywhere. It's so sad how people just litter, throw their crap anywhere. They don't have a care in the world. They're not affected by this. Look at that. Tall trees. Okay, let's go to the other side. And then I'll end this video. There are some homes in this area, but obviously not in this park. Look at that. Just tons of junk everywhere. Okay. Leaves. So there's still leaves on the ground. It's almost spring, and there's still lots of leaves on the ground. Like here, and there. Yeah. Trees. Wow. People are having parties over here. It's insane. Plastic bottles. That bottle over there. It's still muddy over here because it rained the other day. So it's muddy. I have to be careful. I have a tendency to fall, so I don't want to fall. Let's go over here. Some more junk. What's that thing? Huh. Oh, it looks like a bed frame? Could be. Some more junk. Some more shit, as I call it. There's a tire. There's stuff over there. Looks like that tree. That tree is down. There's a pole over there. Let's explore some more. Lots of trash. Almost seems like people are having parties here every week. Look at that. And over there. There's a double bottom. It's Little Gardens Park. apartments over there. Okay. Look at that. There's a tire in the ground. It's embedded in the ground. That's strange. Look at that. Looks like this tree is starting to bloom already. Yeah, this one hasn't even started. Look at that one. Okay. Look, there's another tire over there. And something blue over there. There's a bottle over here. Let's check out that bottle. Yeah. Okay. What's that thing over there? Let me check that out. That white thing over there. There's a can. And more bottles. Look at that. There's trash everywhere. This is insane. There's as much trash here as there was in the other location. Okay. Yep. Looks like a bottle. Okay. There's more shit. I've never seen so much. This is really sad. There's something green there. Okay. That's it.